the combination peas, pinto beans, black beans, kidney beans, great northern beans, everything you can think of, soup.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio. Vegan combination bean and pea soup.
So today what we're going to do, went to the store and I buy this. This is a combination of beans and peas, and I do not recommend you buying this. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure them. Very noisy bag. Now so you get your first cup. So here's now the second cup. Now what we're going to do is add water to this.
A combo bean and peas need to be checked for pebbles and or wood sticks. Next, wash the combo beans and peas in a fine metal strainer.
I've already checked the peas and beans to make sure there were rocks and there was nothing. I'm going to stick this in the fridge. So here we're making the split peas, and they've been in the refrigerator. And what's going to happen now is I'm going to strain these.
Peas do not need any soaking time, but I do it because it hydrates the peas, and the soaking time is cut to 60 minutes.
Get them all in there. You can use a bigger strainer, just this one was available. I'll lay this inside. Now because it is a combination of peas and beans, you would take about 6 cups of water. So we're going to put it aside.
After the IP lid is locked in place, go to the timing module and press the manual button and use the plus or the minus button and bring the timer to 13 minutes.
Then we're going to put the top back on. We're going to turn we're going to turn it on by making manual. We're going to bring it down. To 13 minutes. And now it's going to go through its pressure process.
After the cooking is done, the timer will ring. Now the IP pot needs to be vented for at least 15 minutes.
We're going to open the lid. Put the lid in a safe place so nobody else gets burnt. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drain the peas. I'm going to use a slotted spoon. See if you can see both the beans and the strainer. Use a slotted spoon. Going to bring it up here. For this purpose, all we're doing is cooking the peas and the beans together. Leave it down on the bottom. Pick up your Instapot liner very carefully. Use your slotted spoon to pull out the peas out of the container, and then put it back into the pressurized cooker for safety. This is draining. We're going to let it cool. We're going to let it cool inside this glass pot. And then we're going to put it away in the freezer bags.
After the bean and pea combination has cooled, serve some for your dinner and place the rest in freezer bags for later meals.
So I put in the peas in these plastic bags. Now they don't have much of a taste right now because I didn't season them on purpose. That way, whenever I'm cooking something, I'll be able to choose the seasoning for the meal I'm looking for. This is just like my beans. I had them to other dishes that already have flavor. So 2 cups of that mixture gave me 2 full freezer bags. You don't see that as much orange in here as you did when we first started off. You can see the pinto beans and the great northern beans. I'll put these in the freezer and I'll have them for future dishes. Thank you for watching.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.